Hi, my name is Matthew Palmer, a professional artist, and I've been working very closely with the SAA for many years. I've also been a member of the SAA for about 20 years, and the reason I've been a member is because it keeps the artistic blood flowing, and it's everybody from a beginner through to a professional advanced artist. So joining the SAA gives you so many wonderful benefits. As well as keeping your mind in art and your focus and the inspiration there, you get some wonderful gifts with a yearly membership. You get a membership pack which contains a book worth £8.99, £5 loyalty points and some goodies to enjoy straight away. You also get access to the giant online world of the SAA, which includes over 800 hours of video on demand art tuition, everything from acrylics, watercolours, pastels, right through to sketching. There's also quite a lot of me on there to enjoy. You also get a bi-monthly magazine called Paint, which is sent direct to your door 6 times a year. This is full of step-by-step articles, reviews, and the latest art news. Massive discounts on products in the huge art shop catalogue, which has over 20,000 products, and as a member, you get free shipping in the UK mainland. So don't delay, make sure you join the SAA today and enjoy these wonderful benefits of being in the biggest art group in the world.